welcome back to my channel. I'm BeautyByDionnaD, and today I am going to be doing the Google Does My Makeup Challenge. And Google is supposed to help you pick out whatever makeup look that you need to do. So what you do is you go to google.com, and once you go to google.com, you use your first initial of your first name and first initial of your last name. So let's type in DD look. The first image that pops up onto the screen is the color and scheme of your makeup look. So how awesome is that? So my name is very simple, Deanna Dawkins. It's like 2 D's, and that's how I got my nickname DD, obviously. So the picture is a brow and some shoes, and it's, I mean, how big does a 44 double D brow size look to guys? And okay, so that's pretty random. So the look itself, it has to be exactly the picture of, you know, your creativity has to come from that picture. And I want to give credit to Nikki tutorials because she is the person all behind this wonderful fun challenge. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing the challenge. If you're new, hi, there are 3 options where you can subscribe. You have a subscribe button here on your mobile device, desktop, and right there on the screen. So and welcome back, my old subscribers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start out with a translucent color. Just go ahead and make me feel a little bit more comfortable. Just going to take this brown color right here from this GD Time palette, and I'm going to apply it to the crease. I feel like if I do not apply a crease color, my look is not completed. So let's pull up the look one more time. So as you can see, the picture itself, I have to stay with the black and white category, which kind of easy. So I'm going to take the LA Colors matte palette. This is the one in brown tweed, and I'm going to be taking brown tweed, and I'm going to take this gorgeous matte black. This is the blackest matte black from a drugstore brand itself, and I'm just going to tap on major access. You have to be careful with a matte black shadow anyway, because sometimes a matte black eyeshadow can get overwhelming and over the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open my crease. Now that we have the shadow into the crease, I'm going to also do it on the other eye. Then I'm going to do like a little cut crease. I'm going to apply some concealer to the eyes. It is so important to set your cut creases because you don't want your makeup look to be ruined. Let's pull up the image again. So now that I'm going to go ahead and apply the white, now that I have the black in the crease, BeautyByDionnaD palette is the most pigmented white I ever had in my collection. So I'm just going to take this white and pack it on. I like to pack. I have the white on and I have the black in the crease. It's kind of strange how Google does my makeup challenge turn out to be black and white, and Google is all bright and colorful. It's kind of going to be taking this e.l.f. eyeliner in black to apply to the eyeliner, which is the e.l.f. which is the Color Maze eyeliner, and the e.l.f. one was drying a little bit, so we're gonna fix it up just a little bit. Lashing out a lash kit, and I'm going to be taking some lashes from their kit, which I love. You get 10 lashes and you can't go wrong with it. So I have a review of this as well up on my channel. Now this is the look once I done everything the photo tells me to do, and I'm so excited that I was able to complete everything, you guys, because I was really nervous about what this look would turn out if I, you know, had more of a vibrant color. My name is that simple, Deanna Dawkins, DD look, and this is what I had to come up with, which I really like it. I like how it turned out. I just applied my foundation. Everything will be listed below, and also my lips. Everything will be listed below, but this is the outcome of the look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you, Nikki, for creating this whole nice challenge. It's so fun to do challenges. It's so fun also to see what other YouTubers come up with, and also how would two initials from first and last name create a look. So that was very creative of Nikki, so all hats off to her because she came up with this challenge. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I will see you soon.